Protect the drywall paper when taping baseboards above carpet by using low-tack methods and gentle removal to prevent tearing. When working on non-textured drywall above carpet, start by choosing a low-adhesion painter's tape labeled for delicate surfaces and test a small area to confirm it lifts without ripping paper. Cut lengths long enough to cover the joint between baseboard and drywall so you do not need to press tape hard into the paper. Hold the strip along the top edge of the baseboard and smooth only the tape edge with a fingertip rather than rolling or rubbing across the drywall. If you must secure the tape above the drywall, use short pieces that overlap slightly and press them only to the drywall face, avoiding force against the paper. Apply a thin shield, such as a folded release paper or a thin plastic edge behind the tape where it meets the carpet to catch any stray paint and reduce the need to press tape down. When cutting in, use a steady angled brush stroke away from the drywall paper so paint is drawn onto the baseboard edge rather than pushed under the tape. Let paint dry to the touch before removing tape so the paint film will not drag. For latex paints, that usually means waiting at least 1 hour depending on humidity and temperature. Common issues start with tape adhesion that is too strong, which rips the paper when removed. Avoid that by using low-tack tape and testing first on a hidden spot. A second problem is overpressing tape when laying it, which embeds adhesive into the paper fibers. Instead, only smooth the tape edge with light pressure using a fingertip. The third frequent mistake is removing tape too quickly or at the wrong angle, which lifts the paper. Pull tape back slowly at a low angle parallel to the surface or along itself, and keep it as close to horizontal as comfortable. If a tear happens, repair immediately by laying a thin coat of joint compound, letting it dry, sanding feather thin, and repainting that small area. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a practical place for people to find and post project needs, while contractors can locate paid work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share field tips, product experiences, and real-world solutions for tasks like protecting non-textured drywall when painting baseboards above carpet.